Microsoft issues urgent security warning. Update your PC immediately to fix a problem with the Windows operating system. Microsoft is urging Windows users to immediately install an update after security researchers found a serious vulnerability in the operating system. The security flaw, known as PrintNightmare, affects the Windows Print Spooler service. Researchers at cybersecurity company Sangfor accidentally published a how-to guide for exploiting it. They published a proof of concept online by mistake and subsequently deleted it. Windows 10 is not the only version of Microsoft's operating system affected by the PrintNightmare flaw. Windows 7, which Microsoft has ended support for last year, is also subject to the vulnerability. Windows Server 2016, Windows 10, version 1607, and Windows Server 2012 are expected soon, Microsoft says. Microsoft has released a new security update for its Windows 10 operating system. The update is cumulative, meaning it contains previous fixes for previous security issues too. It's the latest in a slew of security alerts from Microsoft in the past year and a half. The company hasn't released a patch for Windows 11, which is due out soon.